Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear brake pads on Jaguar XF. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then loosen lug nuts slightly. Lift the rear with a jack and secure with jack stands, then remove the wheel. Inspect the caliper, pads, rotor, and hardware for wear or damage, and lay out parts in order to keep track while you work. In this video, I will show how to replace rear brake pads on Jaguar XF. Begin by backing out the caliper guide bolts and gently rocking the caliper free. Never force the brake hose. Suspend the caliper from the suspension with a hook or bungee to relieve pressure. Remove the old pads and take note of pad orientation and shims, then inspect the piston and guide pins for smooth operation and corrosion. In this video, I will show how to replace rear brake pads on Jaguar XF. Compress the pistons slowly and evenly until it sits flush to accept the new pad thickness. Fit new pads with any anti-rattle clips and lubricate contact points with brake grease where appropriate. Reinstall the caliper and torque guide bolts to specification, then reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and torque the lug nuts in a star pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.